As a hotelier, you know that maintaining your assets is crucial to providing your guests with a seamless experience. But, with so many tasks and responsibilities to manage, it can be challenging to keep up with all the maintenance needs of your property. That's where our hotel asset maintenance software comes in. It simplifies your maintenance tasks, streamlines communication, and helps you save time and money. Let's take a look. You can generate QR code for each of the rooms in DreamzCMMS. Customers scan the QR code from mobile and create a request. Technician got notification and came for maintenance. The technician reported after the fix. Customer becomes happy with the service and adds feedback from his mobile. DreamzCMMS allows you to create, assign, and track tasks easily. You can set up recurring tasks such as changing air filters, replacing light bulbs, and checking fire alarms. You can also prioritize tasks based on urgency, assign them to specific team members, and monitor their progress. Your team members will receive notifications of new tasks and can update their status and notes in real time, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. DreamzCMMS helps you stay on top of preventive maintenance, ensuring that your assets are always in top shape. You can set up maintenance schedules for equipment, such as HVAC systems, elevators, and pool pumps. The software will automatically generate work orders and notify your team members when it's time to perform maintenance. By addressing issues before they become problems, you can avoid costly repairs and downtime, keeping your guests happy and your business running smoothly. DreamzCMMS helps in our RFID-based, or QR code-based, asset inventory and movement tracking from one property to another property, over mobile by on-site staff, and the log is visible from admin for every equipment. Every asset is trackable, and no chances of item theft. DreamzCMMS provides you with detailed reporting and analytics to help you make informed decisions. You can track your team's performance, monitor your maintenance costs, asset useful life, and identify areas for improvement. With DreamzCMMS, you can optimize your maintenance operations, reduce downtime, and maximize your ROI. At the end of the day, our hotel asset maintenance software helps you provide a better experience for your guests. By maintaining your assets efficiently, you can ensure that your guests have a comfortable and enjoyable stay, leading to higher ratings, more bookings, and increased revenue. Contact us today to learn more about DreamzCMMS and how it can benefit your business.